India now has its own AI chatbot app aiming to compete with ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. It's called Indus AI by Sarvam. I had made a shorts video about when it was announced, and now it's officially available to download on Android and iOS platforms. In this video, I will show you how you can download Sarvam AI on Android and iPhone. So I installed the app on my iPhone. Registration is simple, just enter your mobile number. But after signing up, I was placed on a waiting list. My queue number is 12,829. That clearly shows a lot of people are trying it out. According to reports, Indus AI focuses heavily on Indian languages and voice-based interaction, which makes it interesting for regional users. I also checked on Android. The app is available on Google Play Store as well. But again, you will likely be added to the waiting list. So if you are curious about India's own AI chatbot, install it now and get in the queue early. The waiting list seems to be growing fast. Subscribe for more updates on Sarvam AI. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.